My name is Architect Bhargav Pancholi. I am from Vadodara, Gujarat. I, along with my partner, interior designer Darshna Vora, leads the Nirmanam Design Studio. Today, I would be discussing our project, The Vraj House. Before I start, please note that you can download the full PDF ebook of this house with detailed floor plans, photos, and fact file from buildofy.com, and the link is mentioned in the description below. The Vraj House is located in a well-planned, posh and green canopied society in Vadodara. The clients, a Vadodara-based, deep-rooted and socially very well integrated Gujarati family. The entire plot given to us was only 2072 square feet. We constructed the house in 3425 square feet of built-up space. The challenging part was to cater to three different generations occupying the house. The structure was designed keeping in mind the function aspect along with the climatic condition. Straight line architecture was given prime emphasis. We wanted to highlight the structure itself, so we avoided any extra massing. The laser cut cotton steel jali encompasses a duct behind and also become a key feature of the elevation. Our approach was purely driven by a very strong urge to deliver clean, clear, decluttered spaces with blended mature material palette. We infused wood, brass, cotton steel, exposed brickwork, grey textured walls, and a soothing white to achieve that perfect contemporary Indo-ethnic charm. Though we did not want it to look traditional, that was an aware and informed choice. A beautiful metal and veneer jali door teamed up with a solid door having a customized metal handle opens up into a welcoming foyer space. This had to be a first impression spot. The foyer opens up into the elegant living room space. Furniture like center table and side tables in stone, wood and metal. The customized bold and striking art piece of burnt wood and brass casting, grey seating, white marbled floor, brass inlaid veneer panel speaks about the easygoing yet stylish decor of the spacious living room. The huge cutout on one of the walls gives a sneak peek into the staircase area. A well-articulated, customized six-seater dining table in metal and grey quartz asks for least maintenance in terms of rough and tough usage throughout the day. To give a break to the otherwise muted palette, a dash of deep blue was added to the dining chairs. A blue-green tinted veneer console with sleek wooden legs complement the ambience, and the imported module kitchen was partially screened with a raised wooden platform. As one seamlessly flows through these areas, the staircase leads to the more private areas. We choose wood for the treads as we thought it would best complement the overall exuberance. The staircase wall has hand-painted elephants in teal. The backlit circular white acrylic panel symbolizes the full moon. The first floor is spread across two large roomy bedrooms and a home theater. The daughter room is designed white PU finish furniture paired up with aqua toned wood and thoughtful use of metal and profile lights. A cozy reading alcove was carved out for the young reader. We wanted to give it a fresh yet a little quirky look. We designed the side table in metal plate in such a way that it could be used horizontally as well as vertically. On the other hand, the parents' room has block printed fabrics infused in wardrobe panels, olive green composite leather head, and dim beige draperies for a more calm appeal. The home theater cum family area house soft comfortable sitting arrangement designed to double up as a bed once the large centerpiece is pushed alongside. The vineyard backdrop converges to the ceiling to encompass the indoor AC machine. The large master bedroom with Burberry beige Italian marble speaks all about the client's love for cane, wood, Indian ethnic motifs, and elegance. It opens up into a semi-covered private sitting space well defined with the use of shell-shaped rustic tile. The lacquered metal screen lends a picture-perfect quality to the terrace area. We also designed a semi-covered floating sitting space for all the happy get-togethers. It is one of the favorite spots of the clients and ours too. The powder toilet was given a beautiful rustic feel. All the other bathrooms were designed keeping in mind the users. Prime importance was given to clean lines and finishing to avoid any maintenance issue in the future. The overall spaces were designed with indoor-outdoor connectivity and a soothing Indo-ethnic charm. We tried our best to give a calm and composed ambience to suit all the members of the family. We believe the task is accomplished when the equilibrium between the functions and aesthetics is achieved, and in this project it was taken care of.